So what were you saying? You were what, 9, 10?
11.
You're 11.
Just turned. Yeah.
First time facing a Grandmaster?
A woman Grandmaster. Actually, no.
No? Whoa, hold on.
Dina, I want you to meet Forrest.
Hello, Forrest.
Hello. I don't think you want to beat me. I'm just a poor little 11-year-old prodigy living on the street.
So are you running fast?
I'm running fast. Yeah.
It's good.
It would be bad for you to lose to a kid who needs permission to stay past 9 from their mom.
Oh, I got you, young gentleman. We gotta take care of you right after.
The moment we've been waiting for.
Are you ready, college students?
Hey, both of you.
Pardon?
Look this way.
Dina.
Hey, Dina, are you ready? Are you ready, Dina?
I am ready. Do you think I need to be ready in particular? Do you think I need a particular preparation for you?
I taught Macau Tall how to play chess.
Oh!
You taught who?
Macau Tall, your grandpa.
Oh, my grandpa, Michael Tal, yeah. So you taught him how to play chess?
So Macau Tall plays this opening, right?
Yes.
He plays the Rudy Lopez, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Are you kidding about Tal? Is that really true?
Of course that's true. You think I would come to coffee chess and start like throwing jokes like this?
Yeah. Yes.
You know what?
Yes,
I'm
sweetie.
playing a classical version of the Rudy Lopez here.
That would be my
Interesting. Have you studied it?
Yes, I have with my coach.
With your coach? Who's your coach?
It's someone from India. That
From India.
I do Zoom.
You do Zoom lessons with a coach from India.
Yeah, I do.
Is he a Grandmaster?
He's not a Grandmaster.
Is he
I don't
international
actually know
master?
what his title is.
You don't know what's your coach title?
Coach.
Coach. You don't know what's your coach? His title is coach.
Well,
Got it.
he's better than me, that's for sure.
Ooh, nice. Well, definitely he should be. Otherwise, what would you learn from him?
I don't know. Got a point.
Got a point?
Focus.
All right.
I'm just focusing here.
So what were you saying? You were what, 9, 10?
11.
You're 11.
Just turned. Yeah, just turned.
Just
Don't
turned
try to
11.
trick
It
me.
was in
Be
April.
ready for assisted living in 90 years.
You know what? Maybe that pawn is getting knocked out.
Whoa, hold on. You're very confident.
I don't like that pawn.
Why not?
Because that pawn...
How about this?
Well, this is the night that taught Macau... I mean, never mind.
You sure about that?
I'm thinking.
Yeah, you'd better think, boy. You'd better think.
Ooh.
That knight takes pawn?
I
Definitely
am
not a
never-
good idea.
Wait, actually, knight takes pawn might be a good idea.
Yeah, but what about bishop d5?
How about queen e8?
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. See that
Forrest.
rook over here? Forrest.
Yeah.
See this rook over there? See this queen? This, my friend, is called an X-ray. I'm going to teach you a lesson.
See, you should have had the Morphe card.
Yeah. Never put your lady in front of a rook. Always take care of the lady. No, women, they deserve a special attention.
No, they don't.
That's actually right.
Yes, they do.
But okay.
That's why he's single.
Right. Are you single?
I have nothing to say.
So,
This is just my warm-up. I'm just practicing.
that's
this is
okay.
just a
That's
practice
okay.
game.
It's not like there are 50 people right here waiting for the line. You got all your time. You know, kids, they always pass without waiting. They're always having extra space in the queue, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm not that type.
You are for equality? For wait.
You know, just like you had a warm-up game against Nip, this is technically my warm-up.
You're right. That's your
Forrest,
warm-up
let
game.
me give you a tip mid-game.
About knights.
Do not listen to her, just play your game.
Yeah, you'd better not listen to me. Although I do have to say you got a very nice talk over here.
Not a very nice play, just a very nice talk.
You're just intimidated, but that's okay. First time facing a Grandmaster?
A woman Grandmaster, actually no.
No? Who do you
It seems a lot like Macau Tall. Sorry.
Thank you. Speeding facts. How long have you been playing chess for?
10 divided by 2 years.
Do not answer her questions.
10
Forrest.
divided by 2 years.
It's 5.
5. You've been playing chess for 5 years.
Yeah,
Nice.
5. I went around 6.
Around 6. Good age. You want to become a world champion? Grandmaster?
Yeah, I do.
International master? What's your goal?
My goal is to become like a grandmaster, like soon.
You forgot your sunglasses. No thanks. No
Can I have
thanks.
them?
I'll give them to someone who deserves.
Thank you.
Like me.
Exactly.
To someone who deserves, Carl.
I am.
Exactly that.
I'm very deserving.
You're deserving, all right.
I think you've
Wow.
been serving a lot.
No, I
It's
got
actually a
serving.
good move.
Actually, like my first good move.
No. It's like the only move in this position. I wouldn't go that far and say that's your only good move. I think you've done pretty much a lot of good moves. It's just that they're not good enough.
Good. Let me assess that. So you said they're good but not good enough.
Exactly.
Interesting.
But I'll grant you another game.
Okay, let me think about this.
Sure, take your time. Tell me if I talk too much.
You do.
Let me just.
I'm just trying to help.
Sometimes I forget that I am facing, a
Great
child.
Great player like me.
A child, that I need to be careful with what I say. You tell me if I talk too
Hey,
much,
it's Novice
okay?
Noah.
How about this? We take here.
Who's this Roberts here?
Yeah. I think we've got a piece.
A piece? Exactly true.
She's playing the style of the greatest player ever existed.
Yeah, my grandfather.
I think if Morpheus had Tails games, he would consider Tails games too dry in position.
Yes, sweetie.
I won't worry about that.
I'm not a
Oh my
little
God.
kid anymore.
You're not?
Yeah. I feel like what's happening to me is like what Butcher did to Dina.
What'd she say? What'd he say?
I don't know. He's not being nice.
I didn't hear. I didn't quite hear.
Oh my
This is
god.
my bishop.
Isn't this terrible?
Okay. What about check?
Uh-oh, my king needs to dry. Wait, I gotta be careful of my...
Yeah, you really should be careful. All right, let's see. I kind of want to go for the mates. Shall I? You're good, you're good. Don't you worry, dear.
Dear.
You see the mate?
Yeah, I know. I don't know what you're waiting for.
I'm just, letting the clock, pass. Making sure everybody saw the mate too, right? You saw the mate?
Kind of. I see a mate in 1,236,927 moves.
Is he like a special
can't tell
talent
you
in
what
math,
it is.
or he talks a lot of numbers,
Uh-oh.
making me so confused?
Let's just take that back.
It's a check, I agree.
Let's check.
But that won't save you from the mates. That's the problem over here.
Man.
Yeah, about that.
There's only one player who could save this.
I feel for you.
No, Bobby Fischer couldn't actually save it.
Big old talk.
Shall I go for it?
I think it's someone stronger than that.
Okay.
Maybe someone stronger than Magnus.
Do you like Magnus?
Yeah, Macau Toll is a pretty good player too. He's tactical. He's pretty good at his tactics.
You're giving the lady. Now I see. This is how you think you're gonna prolong your life being. That's okay. It's
That's my time.
Wait, it's a ring. Ring.
so. Let's be
Hey,
precise.
someone wants to call you on that wall.
3:45 is the time you usually wake up.
No, just in case I take a nap.
Oh, you take a
Yeah,
nap.
yes.
You usually
Sometimes you gotta take a nap.
like power naps. Check.
Yeah.
Nice. My boxing coach would always tell, don't go there, I'm gonna meet you. Always take power naps. I'm still gonna meet you.
I
Check.
actually do boxing.
I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna give up.
That's right. That's something I like. Fighting spirit.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks. I gotta give up my rook. But don't worry, this is just a warm-up.
You see everything.
Okay,
Yeah, it's me.
king to...
You can move your rook if you want. You want to move your rook?
Wait, yeah, I do.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just gonna prolong me for
Couple
10
of.
seconds.
Yeah. I mean, okay. You think I need your rook?
I think you do.
I think
I think
don't.
you need my rook, bishop.
Give him call him. Offer him
All
a
you
draw.
need is 2 rooks, a bishop, and 4 pawns. Hey, you want to draw like our weenie off?
Like him?
Wait a minute, I feel insulted.
All right.
I like black here.
I'm sorry to what I've done to you,
You would.
but you fought like a beast.
Thank you. Like,
I can grant you another game.
If I think you refuse this, that's why you lost.
Who's that?
The greatest player of all time.
Your grandfather?
Morphe.
Some people, you know, they have rings with Jesus, and some people they have Morphe cards in their pockets.
Yeah, something like that.